are starting this new week, if you guys can remember, I analyzed Gbpusd and I project that we are going to have sort of buy from this region here. So from this area, that we may likely have a buy opportunity up to this next psychological level, and which at the moment is currently playing out. And for my analysis on Monday, I made you guys understand that for this week I am bullish on Gbpusd based on the analysis I made using the daily time frame. And now I still want to look for opportunity to continue to buy until we get to this area of psychological level. So in today's analysis, I want to look for opportunity to buy, and from this 4-hour time frame I can see my model from this 4-hour time frame. And if you look vividly at this point here, you will find out that there's a liquidity there which has been swept or sweep, whichever way. So we have a sweep of liquidity at this point. Let me take you there. We have a sweep of liquidity at this point, and this area becomes my protected low. It's very simple, just keep it simple. This area becomes my protected low. So, and this is my PO high here. This is my PO high. So meaning I should be looking for opportunity with this analysis on 4-hour time frame. But basically I don't usually take my trade from 4-hour time frame. I take my setup from either the 1 hour or the 15 minutes. So let's go to 1 hour time frame, since we know we want to look for opportunity to buy within this region up to this region. So I want to look for opportunity to buy. On the 1 hour time frame, did I see any PO high? I have a PO high here which I can use as an area where I can take my buy from. But if I'm taking my entry from that point, my stop loss is going to be wide. As you can see, my stop loss basically will be around 49 pip and not giving me a good risk to reward ratio. So I wouldn't like to take my trade using this POI. So I am going to further streamline my entry down to 15 minutes time frame. So when I get to 15 minutes time frame, I want to look for another POI which I can use to take my trade to the upper level. So on 15 minutes time frame, I see something interesting, and this is basically the POI I'll be waiting for price to come into. So if price should come down to this area, I'll be looking for opportunity to take a buy trade within this area and up to this area here. So I'll be looking for opportunity to buy within that area if I see my confirmation entry. So anything below this area which I put the red line, anything below it, I will not be interested in taking any form of buy. But from this area up to this area here, that is where I will be looking for opportunity to buy Gbpusd. So if I can find my setup there, I will go long from, let's say, from this area up to this area. That is my first plan. Or basically I look for my entry from this point and I will take it up to this area. So that is just the plan for Gbpusd.